Today it is time for your morning rush,
where we bring you the viral videos and breaking news of the day that you need to see before heading out the door.
All right, so let's get to this. And Lindsay, I have to ask, what is the craziest topping of pizza that you can think of?
I mean, maybe anchovies because it has hair on it. It's kind of gross.
Nope. Well, a pizza restaurant in North Palm Beach, Florida, well, they are getting some heat after they offered, get this, iguana as a meat topping. So the restaurant says they were trying to inspire guests to try something new. Don't make me try something new like that.
And iguana, that should be against the law.
Illegal. Yeah, like I didn't know. I lived in Florida, so have you. I didn't know they eat iguana.
I mean, does it taste like chicken? That's all. No, I mean gator. Yeah, did you have gator in Florida? Me too. All right, if you thought the ice storm was bad in Central Texas, we'll take a look at your screen right now. This is from Interstate 80 in Northern California. A winter storm is bringing tons of mountain snow, and delays are just getting longer as the speed limit has been reduced to 30 miles per hour. I'd be driving 5. Ice on the roads have caused some people to pull over on exit ramps and gas stations just to wait it out.
Absolutely. Where are you going? All right, and last for our morning rush, the Texas Today crew, we want to give a big shout out to Lindsay Liepman and give you a warm welcome.
Thank you.
You might know Lindsay from the evening shows, the 5, the 6, and the 10, but now guess what? She is officially a Texas Today member, and we are so excited for you.
Thank you. You came in, you said, "Welcome, Lindsay." I was like, I think I'm awake right now. I said one time I said, they have more fun in the mornings. And look what happened.
You know, you spoke it into existence.
I did.
They say words are powerful.
It is the year of the fire horse starting today, so giddy up. Here we go. I'm happy to be here, Jasmine, so thank you for welcoming me.
Yeah, no problem. It's been fun.